Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices were little changed as investors weighed a possible tightening of US crude supplies against weaker than expected Chinese economic growth. The dollar wobbled near an over 1 year low against its major peers as investors awaited fresh catalysts to gauge if the greenback has further downside in the wake of last week's cooler than expected US inflation report. Despite several high-profile cryptocurrency implosions, the number of people working in the industry has soared over the past 4 years. According to findings by the crypto research startup K33, the number of crypto-related employees has surged nearly 160% since 2019.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's Core Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT. The Australian HICP will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.